Stop! English is tricking you. Some verbs look the same, but sound completely different. Like read, present, read. I read a book every day. Past, read. Yesterday I read a book. Same letters, different sound. Welcome to English chaos. Say these with me. Lead, led. Leaders lead, yesterday they led. Wind, wind. Please wind the clock before the wind blows. And the big one, tear. Verb, tear. Don't tear the paper. Noun, tear. One tear on my cheek. Same spelling, new sound, new meaning. You're learning secret English magic now. Follow for daily English power tips.